Aloha! We are Pack 56, and today we're gonna make
lava lamps.
Why?
Because we live in Hawaii.
And volcanoes constantly erupt.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna show you the materials. The materials we need are oil, a bottle,
An empty bottle.
an empty bottle,
Food coloring.
Make sure you have the cap.
Okay.
Food coloring.
Okay.
Food coloring, yes.
And Alka-Seltzer.
Ah, thank you, doctors. Doctors of Scouting.
Okay, so the first step you're going to do, make sure you wear proper eyes.
Yes, that is very important to protect your eyes. Okay.
First step you're going to do is you're going to want to pour some oil. So we're each going to take turns pouring oil.
Okay. Now we're gonna fill the bottle to 3/4 of oil. With 3/4 of oil.
Okay.
So there's the 3/4 of oil in the bottle. All right. 3/4 of the bottle filled up with oil.
And the next step you're going to do is
Fill the bottle up with the rest of the water.
The rest of the bottle is filled up with water.
so you have to
And
fill this with water. And
3.
Hey, why didn't the water and the oil mix? First of all, you confirmed that you already know oil and water do not mix. Even if you try to shake up the bottle, the oil breaks up into small little drops, but it doesn't mix with the water. Why is it that oil and water are such opposites?
because they're different kinds of matter. Oil is more dense than water, so that's why they separate with each other.
So next, I'm going to add food coloring to it.
food coloring. Awesome.
Okay, let's see if this mixes.
Let's see what happens. I don't
1
know
to
what's
2
going to
drops.
happen. 1 to 2 drops? Okay, so we add oil 3/4 of the way, 1/4 of the way water, and a couple of drops of your choices of craziness and food coloring. What's happening with these drops of food coloring? What's going on here?
They're sinking.
Where are they sinking to?
The water.
So what happens then? They're just falling? Let's see. Oh, there's one. It's falling through the oil. And what's it doing right there?
It's sitting on the surface of the water.
Oh, it looks like it's going into the water now, huh? Check it out.
Yes.
Why is that?
Slowly coming into the
Why?
water.
Wow.
I like mine.
Let's see yours. Okay. Let's see yours. Okay. So now what's happening?
It's slowly by slowly it'll turn into real color, the water.
It'll turn the water? Why will it turn the water into that kind of a color?
Because it didn't do it to the oil because the oil is too dense, as we already explained. But the water is not as dense, so it can break into like a big thing.
Into multiple pieces and
Yeah.
soon mix with it.
Like molecules attract each other.
Like molecules attract each other?
This is taking very long.
So what happened here? Oh, the like molecule. So this is... Oh, nice.
So they're shaking up the bottle of oil and water with the food coloring.
All right. And let's see yours. Oh, very neat. So now what do we do?
We add
What do we add?
the Alka-Seltzer.
Alka-Seltzer. What is Alka-Seltzer?
Sodium bicarbonate.
Of course.
Okay. Vegetable oil is a nonpolar molecule made of long chains and of hydrocarbons. Strings of carbon atoms bonded to hydrogen atoms.
Oh, thank you. Oh.
You know, you also notice that food coloring only mixes with water. Now you know why.
So say
Now we can rip our Alka-Seltzer and put it into the bottle.
All right, the Alka-Seltzer is what?
The sodium bicarbonate that we were talking about.
Okay, so let's see.
Just crack it up.
Yep.
And then just rip it.
Mm-hmm.
On the big
And now you see it's all cracked up.
Mm-hmm.
Just add it in.
Okay, so let's see.
More pieces.
You don't have to put it.
So you break it up. Okay.
But make sure you have the cap to put it on.
And what else
And-
do you need?
Eyewear.
Eye protectant. Protective eyewear.
I don't know how this is gonna get.
Okay, so, but when we add this Alka-Seltzer, we're going to want to put it in and put the cap on as fast as we can, or else this might explode.
What?
Okay,
It'll explode?
eyewear. Yes.
Just in case. Okay, got it. All right, here we go.
3, 2, 1.
I'll stand back. But I'll zoom in.
Put on the cap.
Oh, wow, look at that, guys.
And safe to take off.
Look, what is this you got here?
It is our lava.
Oh, wow. These work really well.
Homemade lava lamp. That's right.
Then I know lava lamp was success.
Here's the surprising part. The Alka-Seltzer tablet reacts with the water to make tiny bubbles of carbon dioxide. These bubbles attach themselves to the blobs of colored water and cause them to float to the surface. When the bubbles pop, the colored blobs sink back into the bottom bottle, and the whole thing starts over until the Alka-Seltzer is used up. When the chemical reaction between the Alka-Seltzer and the water is over and the bubbling stops, you're left with a cool looking wave bottle that will sit proudly on your desk.
Mahalo.
And I hope you enjoy this during your free time. Science
Science
matters.
is awesome. Science matter is awesome.
Science matters.
Thank you for watching our video about lava lamps. Hope you enjoy this.
During your free time making it.
Mahalo.
If you make it. Mahalo.
Lava lamps. The floor is lava.
Thanks for watching.
And stay safe during this time.
And make sure to wear a mask fast.
Practice social distancing.
Mahalo.
Mahalo. Bye.